Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to my channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos, then go hit this red color subscribe button like this, and also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my notification or videos which I upload. For the ones who wants training and additional services, you can anytime WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is their number, or else you can visit our website smarttrader.co. And for the ones who are opening an account through us, by clicking the link of Zerodha or Upstock, by opening a demat account, you will be added to my Telegram channel for lifetime learning and bonding of understanding. And we do a lot of live observation of the market. So the channel is mainly for learning purpose only, not for any other purposes. It's for mainly lifetime learning and bonding and guidance from me. So if you want to be part of that, then you can open a demat account like you normally open. So yes, open the account and you can be part of my Telegram group. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's live trading session. So I'm currently looking into this particular stock which just boomed up its own high. Okay. So I'll be buying this particular stock around 3,250 stocks at market level. So 134.68. Around 45 paisa is the 0.3%. So if I keep 0.5% also considering CNC, then I have to keep around how much? 70 paisa, 65 paisa. So yeah, so we are so that's a quick movement. So just now I was discussing the same with in my Telegram about 134.25 something to observe the same. It boosted up suddenly. 134.68 is where we have taken. So 135.60 is a high as of now. This stock had broken its own 1 hour candle. So I had taken this particular stock. If you see, this stock had broken its 1 hour candle, and that is when I picked this particular stock. Then stock was a little bit bullish, and market also was neutral. It was between 0.20 plus and minus. So any both directions, the stock movements will be there. Top gainers sides and loser sides. So 1 hour breaking bullish side also will have a movement, and 1 hour breaking bearish side also will have a movement. So keeping in that mind, I just filter out this stock. Even Canfin Home was there, but this also had broken its 1 hour candle, but it had come down a bit from its high level. So I had to wait. This one had broken its own high. .2% overall on this stock. Checking out 134.68 into 0.5 divided by 100 is nothing but 67 paisa. So 1 plus 134.68 is around 135.35 is our actual target, which we are looking a minimum target because it's a CNC order, where we can wait for the day or how much ever days if you want. So keeping that in mind, I will just wait. There will be a lot of fluctuations as normal. There will be small recovery and small corrections, and again it will spike up or spike down. Just show you 1 minute candle. So currently there is a red candle over here. Let's see if it can break its own high again, or if we have to exit by then. Stock has gone already very well. From 130 it has gone really well. These were the levels which it broke. So if you see, the stock price has broken its own high and it has gone up to 136.85. So it has gone more than 1% as of now. So like yesterday, today also we have got more than 1% as of now, unrealized profit, but I have not yet booked. Over here, if you look at the chart, loading. Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart where it had spiked up till here. The question is, now the time is 11:15 if you see. So 11:12 if you see, 11:15 one more candle will start. The question is, if the will that candle break its own high over here? If it breaks that own high, again you get an extra advantage here. Sometimes the candle become red because it's already, if you see, the previous candle is gone so high, a lot of buyers over there. So sellers also will come into picture. So looking at that, there are two possibilities: either I can exit here, or I can wait for the third candle, the third 1 hour candle, which, if it can break its own high or go towards its high. Or else, as per leaving the grid, I can also book my profits up to 5,000 rupees also. So if I say 136.25 is our target, I can set it up. So I'm just selling on the market level. So I took the stock at 134.65 and we sold it at 136.45. So 134.65 minus 136.45. Oh god. Okay, 134.65 minus 136.45, almost 1 rupee 80 paisa. So 1 rupee 80 paisa divided by 134.65 into 100, so 1.33%. It's not 0.3, so we have hit 1.3%. So yeah, in that way it's good. We got this profit. Nifty is still neutral if you see. So there is advantage both side, plus side and minus side. So we took advantage towards the bullish side, buy side. As you know, I always like buy side. I know most of the time the stocks will come down, so you can take a lot of advantage on the sell side actually. If you do sell side, you can hit 0.3% more faster. But in case if your analysis go wrong and the stock goes opposite, you cannot wait in the sell side. You have to finish your trade within 1 day itself in the sell side, because in Zerodha you won't get that option, margin option to hold, and you cannot sell the shares in advance and hold it. So in that case, what I would always do is I always buy and keep, and in case if it doesn't go, still I will wait for a lot of days. So we have time, there's a lot of days to wait. So patience is the key also. So yeah, at times 0.5 is the target. Sometimes I will be lucky like this, I get 1% from the point I took. If you see, the stock had already gone up to 5%. From there again I took the stock, and stock gave me around 1%. So that's something advantageous. If you see metals, Nifty is neutral, okay, 0.03. And if you see the different sectors over here, metals is in the highest, 1.71. So these are two favorite stock of mine, Hindalco 0.4 and VDL is 0.55. So it's going towards its high. So, and a new candle has been created, so I will buy around 2,900 stocks. So it just broke its high. See, 70 broke. So I have taken around 90 itself. That's the high of the stock as of now. So in this stock 0.5, I would say around 75 paisa. So that is almost 156.65. 156.65 would be the target. Currently the target is how much? The highest is 156 is the highest as of now. Okay. If you see, Jindal has gone up to 137. Good. But good, we booked up profits. No more greed. So we are done in that particular trade. As I told you, the third candle has broken. Yes, this is what I was telling you. This is one more advantage. When that breaks, you can take again 0.3% advantage for intraday or CNC order. If you're taking 0.5, you can wait. Anyways, we are looking into this particular stock. A small resistance at 156. 28,000 shares. Let's see if this can break that and take this further up. I can set my target and keep for my safety purpose in case the stock goes spikes up, and it can at least take my order. So in these cases I can set the order. Okay, Jindal is going up and up, so 138.65. Good. So what I'll do, I'll just set up the target rather than waiting for a long time. I would say limit order 156.65 is 0.5%, right? So yeah, 0.3% also is fine, but let's wait for 0.5% also and see if it can give us. So I'm putting limit order. So when the stock goes up to 156.65, it will sell off my particular shares. Done. That was very quick. I think I'm very lucky today. So it broke and went up to 156.90. Good, it didn't make me wait for a long time. 10 minutes trade. I got that 2,100 profit also. So overall 7,900 profit. So the time is 12:53. So I am done with a few other trades of 1% in Canfin Home, and again I hit around 0.4% in sale. So yeah, so you would have already seen Jindal Steel and VDL. Now these two I just took trades. Considering the fluctuation, market is still neutral. If you see, it is within that same range. So I took that minor movements. I took advantage of those movements and breakouts. So yes, the time is 12:53, and now on, if any news is coming or if any the trend will change. So therefore I'm not gonna trade after this. So I'm gonna end. I made a profit of 14,826 overall. So these were the trades. So I think VDL, I couldn't record this because I was traveling. I just put my trades. I was not concentrating on those. So I just took sale at 47.5 and sold it at 47.7. So it's almost 20 paisa. That is nothing but 0.4% of the stock, almost 0.4542% of the stock. Then Canfin Home, I took it at 261.85 at 12:34. There was a sudden spike. If you see, within some 15 seconds, I sold it at 262.67, and I saw the potential was higher. So when it came down again, 261.94 I took at 12:36. If you see, and again I waited, and 12:52 I sold it at market level at 264. So that's how I took the advantage. So it's always about taking advantage of the movement. Okay, so nobody can predict the market, but if you have the right knowledge of how the stock moves and what are the different type of indicators which you can use, you can take advantage of those movements, and you can use those logics and take advantage of those movements, of price movements. So that's how you can make that 0.3, 0.5 or 1%. If you see, so this is 1%, and this is 0.5%, this is 0.4%. So these are the different profits. Overall 14,826 profit. a good profit for the day. I can stop trading for this particular week, but still I'll see if possible I'll record video. Yes, we will be doing learning video also. Few people like live trading videos, few people like learning videos, so I will try to mix everything and make for you guys. So these are a vlog, okay, so it's a daily reality vlog. So I just open my mobile and record. If I'm outside, if I'm not at home, still I'll try to record a video for you guys. And just avoid all those ignore all those noises and all the dogs barking near my house. We have a lot of people have a lot of pets over here, so they keep barking and they keep communicating with each other, so you can always hear that in my background. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like button to this video and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.